Hey guys, welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend yourself if somebody tries to grab you. So for today's technique, I'm going to show you a clip from the movie Red Panda. Watch as Mama Panda tries to grab Mei Li, and then I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out.
I never went to concerts. I put my family first. I tried to be a good daughter.
So for technique number one, you saw Mama Panda come in and she was trying to swipe and grab Mei Li. So when your opponent Bob here tries to reach in and grab you, the first thing you're going to do is outblock and grab that wrist. From here, snap kick to the groin, step in, up elbow into the chin. Now from here, your arm is just going to go behind them. Turn your hips into Bob. From here, your leg comes up and you're going to sweep back into that leg here. So step back. As you sweep back, your arm is going to go forward and down here, forward and down. And then you finish your opponent. So for this technique, your opponent already has a hold of you. Bob's already grabbing our shoulder or right here on in front of our shirt. You're just going to grab that wrist and twist out. From here, knee comes up and snap kick. If you're too close, it would be a knee. But for here, snap kick. Step down and in as you elbow into the face. Arm goes behind, twist, knee comes up, sweep. Technique number three, you're going to be the aggressor. Opponent standing there. Kick. After the kick, step in, elbow up. From here, we grab the arm behind, sweep. After here, once I'm in position, I have to bring this left leg and step in a little bit. That brings me closer and gives me better leverage on the throw. Block, kick, step in, elbow, sweep. So for technique two on the bag, I want to show you what to do when they grab you. So, we got his arm here. We grab, and then we twist here. This brings his body back. Grab, twist, taking his hand off of your shoulder, and then kicking. Grab the wrist, twist out, kick the groin, up elbow, step in, and sweep. Now for technique number three on the bag. Kick. One more time. Kick, elbow, step in, and sweep. Now all that's left is for you to go try it. So go try it. Let me know how it went. Let me know if you have any questions. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time for more self-defense techniques.